Hey everybody, real quick impromptu video tonight. Today is Tuesday, November 8th, so midterm election day. Hopefully you guys were all able to run out and exercise your right to vote. God bless the USA. But that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about Dollar General. So today, Tuesday, was the first day that they have increased their clearance on summer lawn and garden up to 90% off. So that is fantastic prices. And I was able to run to a store kind of close to me and nab a ton of seeds that I'm super excited about for a fabulous price. So I'll include a clip here of their little display. As you can see, this particular store, they hadn't sold hardly any seeds this year. I was so surprised to see that so many were left over. But all of these seeds, they're American Seed Company, and the original price was 4 for $1 or 2 for $1, so 25 cents or 50 cents. And at 90% off, they rang up only 3 cents or 5 cents. So fabulous price for seeds, guys. With everything going on in the world right now with inflation and everything, now is the time to stock up because the price is not going to get any better than that, I promise you. I am going to show you at the end of this video, I'm going to show you all the different varieties of seeds that I got, and I'll include pictures of my receipt. I think the receipt has the SKU numbers on there, so you can search those on your Dollar General app if you want to see if they're available at your store. But I'm going to show you the other stuff that I got because it's all lawn and garden. In this particular store, a lot of the stuff was picked over. There's a few like decorative items and stuff, but I'll show you the stuff that I actually end up buying. So they had little garden tools. These are super cheap. They're originally only $1, but I got it for 10 cents. And these are great if you have littles that want to help you out in the garden, but are bad about losing your tools. So I got this for my son. And then the other thing I bought are these American Seed Company seed starter pots. So these are 3 inches, biodegradable. It's a pack of 6. So these were originally $1. I got each of these for 10 cents a piece, which is a fabulous price. So 60 pots for $1. And what these, I don't necessarily use these for my own personal use. I have enough like reusable plastic ones that I use for my own. But what I like to use these for is for gifting seed starts to friends and family. I think these look just a little bit nicer than red Solo cups, which is what I usually use. But yeah, so that's what I bought these for, 60 for $1. That's a great price. So that's what those are going to be for, gifting this spring. And some of the other things I saw at my store were like sprinkler systems, hose nozzles. There's a few little decorative items, but most of that was picked over. They had a couple of really small basket liners, like the core stuff. But yeah, other than that, there wasn't a whole lot left, but so many seeds. I was so surprised. So let's go ahead and I'll go through all the different varieties that I got. Okay, so I've got these all laid out. So we'll just very quickly go through and I'll show you everything I got. So this is Clemson Spineless Okra, which I'm really excited about because I want to try okra. I hear good things, but I've never grown it before. And all these I bought in groups of 5. I try to do that. Dollar Generals in our area are so short-staffed. There's almost always just one employee running like the whole show. So just to try to make it easier for them, because I felt bad coming up with 8 billion seeds, I just bought them all in groups of 5 just to make ringing them up a little bit easier. But this is Waltham Butternut Squash, which is the same type of squash you can buy from Baker Creek, I believe. Autumn Beauty Sunflowers. These are so pretty. I've grown these before and I really, really like them. Birdhouse Gourd. Sweet Italian Basil. After we did basil tea this year for the first time, I'm hooked. I gotta grow more basil. These flowers, I feel like I always mispronounce them, so that's them. I'm not even gonna try. Evening Sun Sunflowers, which looks like a nice mix. Super excited about those. Good old chives. Danvers Half-Long Carrots. Sounds like, can you hear that? That's a decent amount of seeds there. Onion White Lisbon Bunching Onions. Love bunching onions for cheese balls. Mixed Colors Columbine. Dark green zucchini squash, California Wonder Pepper, classic. Swiss Giant Pansy. I love pansies. I've been stocking up on pansies. Mammoth Russian Sunflower. Thought those would be fun. Single Sensation Mixed Color Cosmos. I've actually grown the American Seed Company brand of these, and they did really, really well. They're still doing pretty good for as cold as it's been. Lilliput Mixed Color Zinnia. Love zinnias. Got two different colors of alyssum. The first one's Royal Carpet. This is a great filler for pots. The second one's white, which is called Carpet of Snow. They just do really good filling in pots in between the plants. Lemon Queen Sunflowers. 4 o'clock. I've never grown those before. They look pretty cute. Kind of look like impatiens almost. We'll see how those do. And then I actually bought 10 of these. These are French Dwarf Double Mix Marigold. I have grown these before. They're in my garden right now. And these are my all-time favorite marigolds because they stay real compact. So they're perfect for my raised bed garden because I don't want them to take over the entire bed like some of them do. Instead, they stay real compact, real bushy, and I don't have to trim them and get them back under control because I just have them out there to control rabbits and pests and stuff. And then the last one I got was some Sugar Snap Peas. And again, that sounds like a pretty decent amount for 3 cents worth. So you guys, run to Dollar General this week, see what you can find. My advice from what I've found the last couple of years of checking out Dollar General's clearance is I always find the best clearance at the more rural, out in the middle of nowhere Dollar Generals, like where there's no other store in town. If you hear dueling banjos, you're in the right spot. I swear those people don't garden in those areas, which it seems counterintuitive, but there's always a ton of seeds and gardening supplies at those super out in the middle of nowhere Dollar Generals. I swear it always works, and that's what these came from. So you guys comment down below and let me know what you're able to find at your store, if it's already been picked over and everything's gone, or if you were able to find tons of stuff like this. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to see future videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.